All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Gala update for you all. If you haven't checked out my other Gala update, I'll link it in the top right corner. It will also play at the end of this video, so you can just click on it. But we were suggesting that well into the future, essentially, because it was our first video looking at Gala, we were saying well into the future we will eventually be meeting a potential $2.50 target. This could be years away, guys. This is not overnight. This is not in 6 months. This is not 1 year away. This could be years away. Whenever we eventually go into a full-blown bull market, which for me would be signaled by Gala pumping above this golden pocket, flipping it into support. In actual fact, we should be correcting up to here, looking for continuation lower. I don't think that will be the case. Maybe we'd run into there, have a dump down, and then break it, flip into support, and that's when I would believe, okay, if we can continue to hold this support and break up here, the bull market is here. I'll believe we're going back to the 1 fib level at 84 cents, and our first target, nice and conservative for you, where we should start to actually sell our Gala would be around the $2.50 area. From current price today, we will check where 84 cents is, and as well as this $2.47 level. So this would be again a 22, 23x, and then over here would be about just over a 65x. So it's in almost a 70 right there. So definitely a potential 50x token. Go check out that other video. Again, it's linked somewhere here in the top right corner. And now we'll scale down to the lower time frames and actually look at what's going on right now. But what we really need to see is Gala closing above that 20 weekly and not coming back under. We need to stay above it, and unfortunately we keep having these fake outs over here, so it's not showing that much strength. If there was, again, just like this, we'd push through, but actually hold it instead of losing it and then doing these multiple fake outs. I think in the last update we were also talking about a double top. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but yes, over here this was actually quite similar to another video I made on the channel on Viot, so go check that out. The Gala and the Viot video, they're all under like the thumbnails just say like 50x or 100x on them. It doesn't actually have the names on them, so just you go check out the YouTube channel. Over the last 2 weeks we made those videos, and both of those charts, Gala and Viot, whatever you want to call it, have double tops. So in the last update for you guys, I did leave you off with the neckline of the double top. I remember specifically saying if we were to lose it, our target is down here out of the M pattern, and we're going to take the target first of all from the highest body over here back to the neckline, put it on the breakdown, and we can see, yes, it's calling for this golden pocket over here to be tested, this golden zone. Now this golden zone isn't just random, it is specifically the Fibonacci levels over here, so we can't argue with the fibs. The fibs are saying this here over here should be a key area of support, but actually after bouncing off of it, we're meant to be putting in a new high. So this is actually already showing you that at the moment nothing here is 100%, because when we bounce off of this, we're looking for uptrend continuation. As what are we using the fibs for? As a retracement tool. So it means that this here is the correction, then we correct to where we need to, the most retraceable zone being the 0.5 and the 0.618, and then we're meant to continue with this uptrend to head up to the other golden pocket over here between 11 and 18 cents. But as we can see, it just hasn't played out as anticipated, as the Fibonacci's rules would actually suggest, guys. It's not even as anticipated, it's just like the fibs are saying that's what should happen. And then what could be the case is if we do validate this double top, my mistake, we're going to be coming back down to the 0.5 fib. On the loss of that, we're coming to the 618 down here. So these would be two key levels of support between 2.6 and 3.1 cents for Gala going forward. We need to maintain these levels, otherwise we're going to create something called the reversal wave. Now, before we look into that, I want to make you guys aware we do have, I was about to say Satan, but we pretty much have Jerome Powell talking today, which, yeah, for crypto, for us holders, yeah, he pretty much is that. And yeah, it's likely that because we saw in Australia yesterday, their day ahead, remember that, yesterday, which was today, but so confusing. They're a day ahead, and pretty much they already bumped up the interest rates 0.25%. So we're basically expecting the same thing. what we saw on the Forex charts of Aussie dollar against dollar, Aussie gained some strength. So if the similar thing were to happen here with dollar's going to gain some strength. So we're going to see weakness in all of crypto, not just Gala. Doesn't just because I'm making this video saying Gala, you know, if we lose this, we're going down. After the FOMC meeting, Jerome Powell slash Satan himself announces that he's going to bump up the interest rates, then of course looking for some dumps. So I'm in some shorts already on some altcoins. Gala's looking primed for this dump. This would be a dump of about anywhere between 14 to 25% without any leverage whatsoever. So for you leverage crackheads out there that want to trade these tiny coins of leverage, you do you. But there's a lot of gains to be made without that, as we can see. But yeah, we're going to, of course, as it seems, this support is going to be lost. And then we're going to come back down to this low. We could just bounce off of it. But again, the target out of the M, I'm going to show you two targets again from right there. We can see the target's quite random. So I'm going to go for the aggressive target. So the aggressive target, instead of taking it to the highest body, I'm going to take it to the highest wick. And then put it on the breakdown over there. And look at that for confluence. So just two things in alignment, in agreement. So the M pattern saying lose this, you could come as deep as this. The Fibonacci's that we're using is measuring this wave up and saying that we should correct down into this area over here. So we've got some confidence now with this M pattern, because in actual fact, guys, when we bounce from this point, as I mentioned earlier in the video, we should be putting in new highs, and it just hasn't been the case because I use something called the 200 moving average, and we can see that we're currently below it on the second, on one top and two tops. So this is just not bullish. The only thing I can say for the bulls out there, because we do like to look at it both ways, you know, if the meeting that has no effects on this chart, on the market, then we're still holding this support. We've got chances of actually coming back up to the range high. We would need to see a break of this double top, a break of the 200 EMA. Only then this is again bullish until that point in which you can still dump from. So we really need to clear 6.2 cent. Until then, it seems as if Gala does want to continue lower. And in actual fact, I made that video, I made it very clear for you in the Gala update last week or the week before. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment for the algorithm, and do check out my offers because I've got a discount at the moment on my courses and my mentorship. I've also got a Discord community where I've been sharing some nice cryptos. One crypto went from 17 million market cap to 65 million market cap overnight, and this was posted in my Discord community. If you want to take action on these gems, you know what to do. Head over to my link tree, which is pinned in the comment section below on the description, and click the course and the mentorship if you want to get the discount, which will last throughout the next week. Or you can check out my membership levels. I'll head there with you. And if you want to be part of my Discord community, it is this one over here where we're sharing those gems. And yesterday we did like a 2 to 3 hour long group mentorship session. So we were just looking at the charts. Everyone was sharing their ideas. We were debating and whatnot. So if you want to be part of a tight-knit community that actually cares about each other, not just oh, join for my signals, and then the moment you join, they're absolutely rude to you. No, it won't be like that over here. We're really trying to make everyone a self-sufficient trader so they can just do it all on their own, so they don't really have to rely on anyone else. And so that's the whole point of this community. So yeah, if you want to join, you know what to do. There are other offers. This is the first entry level to my community, but there are other membership levels. We do have a couple of people in the private TA where I can help you with your charts absolutely every single day. But again, if you want to take action on the course, that is now here. You will get free Discord chat for 3 months. If you want to take action on the full mentorship plan, here's what I'm going to do for you guys. I will include 3 months for free in the chat, but also give you my course, which is again 6 hours long, 30 plus videos teaching you from zero knowledge. This is going to be included completely for free in the price. So you're not just getting 10 hours of one-to-one help with me. You're also going to be in my community for 3 months completely for free. Not only that, when your 3 months due, and all previous students get 50% off my group chat permanently. So that's why if you were to become a student of mine, then following that, if you want to become a member afterwards, it will be permanently discounted for you by half. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please do message me, whether that's over my Twitter or just simply take action through these 2 links, and I'll see you over there. Cheers.